Good evening. Today is Wednesday, March 22, 2023. The markets are closed now. The markets were deep in the red after the Fed raised the interest rate by 25 basis points. However, some say that the main reason was due to Janet Yellen's comments that government will not come to rescue all the banks. This seems to be like banking crisis than rate hike. However, it shows that markets want a reason to sell. Let's look at the market action today, guys. This is the SPY action today. It started just before the Fed's meeting. The markets were super high. It went to 402, 403. Looks like that is the game they were playing. Let's say 1 day, 1 minute. So the markets kind of opened at 9:30, right? It was around 398, 397. It went to 402 just before the Fed's rate hike and announcement, right? 1437 climbed up and then immediately fell down to 395. So about 30 minutes of trade, and it came down to 395 and then followed by the next 1 hour when it closed at 391. And then post market seems to be interesting. It just gained like $3 on SPY. So think the markets are digesting the news. As I said, this is kind of range bound. Looks like it is probably going to be going sideways. But the good thing is it has broken the trend line, but it did not stay there throughout the market session. It came down. So markets have still a long way to go and decide where they're going to go with this, right? So if I draw a trend line supporting this, if I add a trend line, this is like very much, it is good, right? But here, this is where if I going to extend this line to the right, it should have been that 395, but it went down. So we got to wait and see tomorrow where they're starting it. So let's look at the futures. Futures are, right, let me do a 1 day, 1 minute. The futures went down with the market, right? And then it is trading above 398.50. That is $3,098. It's still, it's a good bounce, about 30 points down bounce, right? 66 to 98 or 88, right? It's about 22 points up, which is good. Let's look at the NASDAQ futures. Same thing. Went down big. So if you look at it, QQQ, it down 1.36%. SPY down 1.7%. How about the banks? Let's look at the KRE, the regional banks. 5%, big down. XLF, 2%. Let's look at the SOX index, the semiconductor index, SMH, down 0.64%. Not bad. Let's look at AMD. AMD. Huh. It went up 1.7%. Something is happening with AMD, guys. Very interesting. Looks like a very, very positive sign on AMD. Well, the whole market is down, but AMD is up. Interesting. Let's look at the NVIDIA. What's happening with that? Even that is high. Really, markets are down, but NVIDIA is up, AMD is up. So that means semiconductor index is up. How about the crude oil? I think we also had crude inventory today. It has touched 70. Isn't it interesting? So it was all 6 prints and now it's 7 print. So it is gaining steam. Let's look at gold. Let's see. Gold is up 30 bucks. Ooh. So the range for gold is the 52-week high is 186 and it went up to $3 gold ETF. So very interesting in gold. People are moving the money into gold, but I don't know why now. Where is gold heading? Near daily, it is definitely heading up. So I wouldn't touch gold right now. This is the entry point, 167. Now it is 183. Anything if it goes about 186, this is 186.1. I think gold is probably a buy then, not now. So we saw AMD and NVIDIA probably flying high. So I think those are something to be in, especially AMD. How about our Tesla? Tesla sold 3%. Yeah. So let's look at the retail ETF XRT, down 1.76%. It is down ever since we had that retail capture, right? It is going down and down and down. $59 and it is still stuck. How about XLP? Consumer staples. Really, really not good. I think the 52-week low is $66. Today's low is $70. It's very close to the 52-week low. XHB, the home builders ETF, even they are down. Let's look at the REITs index, VNQ, real estate. That is down big, $3, 3.74%. It's very close to 52-week low, $74. So, and the dividend yield is 3%. Looks good. I would like to look at some of the bonds. TLT. That's going up. And LQD. It's up, but not as much as TLT. HYG. Yeah, it's up also, or it is flat. MUB. National municipal bonds. Still, yeah, it's not, it is very close to 52-week high. So, and the 52-week low is 101. So it's very close to 52-week high. So I would still consider owning some of these if you have issues with the SPY. Let's look at MSFT, Microsoft. They are down huge. but not as huge as the SPY. Very nice, very nice. Oracle, where is Oracle today? It's up. Interesting. Not sure they're going to buy TikTok. Very good, very good. I think we'll have to see the market action tomorrow. Looks like the people are digesting the Fed news, Janet Yellen news, the bank news. Let's look at the markets tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Cheers.